Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning Tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to turn off auto delete history on YouTube. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. To turn off auto delete history on YouTube, go to your browser and browse youtube.com. Click on menu icon and here you will find an option history. Click on history. In right side you will find a gear icon, manage all history. Click on manage all history and here you will find an option auto delete and a time frame is selected here. That means auto delete is turned on here. Just click on auto delete and look, auto delete activity older than 36 months is set. Now to turn off auto delete, select don't auto delete activity and then click on next and then click on confirm. Look, preference set and click on got it and look here, auto delete is turned off right now. This is the easiest way to turn off auto delete YouTube history. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.